In this video, let's learn how to change color palette on your A06 mobile. Go to mobile settings, scroll down and go to wallpaper and style option. In here, you can click on this color palette option. You can see preview in here. You can enable this color palette option using this icon. After you can see our color is going to change. You can change the colors by using these icons. Now I select this. You can see the preview. After you can click on this apply button. Okay, now our mobile color is going to change. Let's check. Now I open my mobile dial pad. You can see the yellow color. I set my notification panel. You can see the colors are going to change, but the app icons are not going to change. Let's check how to change this app's color. Click on this color palette option. After you can enable this apply palette to app icon option and click on apply. You can see the app preview like this. Let's check our applications. You can see our apps are going to change. In this method, you can change your app's colors. Let's see another option. I am again going to color palette option. You can see this basic color mode. Now I click on it. You can add your basic colors like this. This is green color, pink. The multiple two colors have. I select this one and click on apply. Okay, let's check our apps icon. You can see our icon colors are going to change. In this method, you can use this color palette option. If you like to this feature, you can enable it.